Morning boys and girls, so it's Tuesday morning the 12th of May and this is your mains menu for today. So your first task today is English. Yesterday you started to write your story of Cinderella. What I want you to do today is reread what you wrote yesterday to see where you're up to, and then I want you to continue writing your story using your story mountain as a guide. When you're writing your story, remember to include lots of adjectives for description and try and include some speech what the characters might say. Once you have done this, I want you to check your work for punctuation. Have you used exclamation marks? Have you used speech marks? Have you used capital letters, finger spaces and full stops? And check your writing for any errors. Task number 2 today is maths. I would like you to go on to Doodle Maths, and we are continuing our work on time. So you need to answer these questions on Doodle Maths on your iPad. Your first task on Doodle Maths today is to tell and write the time to quarter past the hour. That is when the minute hand is on the 3. Then your second task on Doodle Maths today is to tell and write the time to quarter to the hour. That is when the minute hand is on the 9. If you're not sure, you can watch your BBC Key Stage 1 How to Tell the Time guide that you watched yesterday on BBC Bitesize to help you. So task number 3 today is topic. I would like you to read the Twinkle PowerPoint Barn Owl Life Cycle. Then I would like you to use the pictures on Seesaw as a guide to draw an owl life cycle. Then once you have drawn them, you could draw them in little boxes if you want to, in a sequence across your page. You may want to turn your page so that it is landscape way so that you can fit the boxes going across, and then under each picture I would like you to write a sentence and say what happens during that part of the owl's life cycle using the information that you have learned from the PowerPoint. So once you have looked at the pictures of the owl PowerPoint, use those pictures as a guide to draw your own pictures in your book. Remember, you do not have the sheets to cut and stick this task. You need to use the pictures as a guide and then draw them into your book and put a sentence under each one. You may want to use an arrow between each part of the life cycle to show you the way that it happens. So task number 4 is art. I would like you to research some facts about the artist Kandinsky. You can go through the PowerPoint that we have posted on Seesaw, and then I would like you to answer the questions on the last page about the painting squares and concentric circles. You might like to also create your own piece of Kandinsky style artwork using circles and squares. Remember, you can colour these in different coloured pencils, you could use paint, you could use felt pens, whatever you have at home, but remember that Kandinsky's style of art is all about circles and squares. I can't wait to see your pictures, so let's get very creative this afternoon and get busy with your artwork. Have a lovely day and remember to stay safe and be good and take care. See you tomorrow. Bye.